Kumusta po kayo? Ako po si Boots Anson Roa. Noong po nakaraang taon, June 14, 2014, medyo lalo humaba ang pangalan ko. Nadagdagan na naman ng isang apelido nang ako po ay magiging Mrs. Francisco King Rodrigo Jr. It's been a blessed second marriage. God indeed is good. At siguro totoo yung sabi nila, love is lovelier the second time around. I'm so privileged to be part of this event, this happening. At ako po'y bumabati sa inyo hindi lamang po sa ngalan ng Revixie, kundi sa ngalan din po ni Congressman Robby Puno, ang inyo pong kasama dito sa District 1 sa Antipolo, at ang aking anak na si Chiki Roa Puno. Seminars like this mean very much to me kasi hindi po niyo na itatanong. Ako po ay naging maestro din for 13 years, teaching mass comm subjects sa Ateneo, sa UP at LaSalle, until I went on sabbatical 2 years ago. At katulad po ninyo, ako po bilang maestra ay naniniwala that teaching is the noblest profession. And that as teachers, we should aspire not only to teach the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic, but more importantly, to teach Life 101. To teach our students to become better persons. To teach our students to live in service of one's family, one's school, one's community, and one's nation. And this is what your seminar workshop under Revixie is all about. I wish you the best. I wish you great enjoyment, happiness, and I hope you find this day noteworthy. Maraming salamat.